Okay, it's recording. Okay. Hello, welcome to another episode of Gabriel's World, and welcome to our last episode of our Geode experiment. This is Gabriel's Geode experiment part 3. In this video, I will tell you the rest of the fun facts. Well, my helpers, or in this case helpers, now the helper's gone, can take a look at the geodes more carefully and see if they can find any hidden details in them while I read out some facts. Do you think that's a good idea? Okay, so my helper does a thumbs up when he agrees. Okay. I don't know if I read this one to you yet, but it's called Geode hotspots. Did I read that one out yet? Yes. No? Okay. Geode hotspots. Geodes can be found all over the world, but the largest concentrations occur in deserty volcanic ash beds. Some of the most spectacular geodes come from Brazil. They can also be found closer to home. Geode beds in the US are found in California, Arizona, Utah, Nevada, Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky, and Iowa. And those are all states in the United States. If you want to know about all the presidents that were born in them, which my Gabriel and the USA video, you will have to scroll down quite a lot for that video, since it's one of my oldest videos. And why am I making a tower out of that? Anyway, let's just continue. The geode beds around Keokuk, Iowa are especially good, and Iowa has named the geode as its state rock. That's what interesting. Okay, next fact. How do you find geodes? Rock collectors identify geodes in the field in several ways. First, they look for geodes' characteristic spherical shape. Because geodes are commonly composed of different minerals and the rock that surrounds them, the geode may separate easily from the host rock. Sorry if I'm reading a little bit funny. It's just that there are some words that I've never heard of before. Like geodes are words that I've never heard of before I upload my first 2 parts of my episode, so yeah, maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, I don't know. So sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Or at least some of the words that you know wrong. Anyway, let's continue. Finally, geodes are less dense than the surrounding rock because they are hollow, so they will feel uncharacteristically, that's a word I've never heard of before, light compared to other rocks of the same size. Anyway, the record is disturbing me again. I think I have to shut the video, but I can't. This is the last episode, and I still have a couple of facts. This is the last fact before the types of geodes, 2 pages. Types of geodes. These are actually we are in the types of geodes. Anyway, types of geodes. Pyrite geodes. Nicknamed fool's gold. Pyrite is a shiny yellow colored material that is often mistaken for real gold. Probably another. It reminds me of a rock that I found in a lake around a month ago. I'm not going to tell you which lake it is, but anyway, the best pyrite geodes feature incredible spray crystal formations because the beautiful radiating sprays of pyrite look like sunbeams. These formations are sometimes called sun crystals. Fluorescent geodes. Some geodes will glow or fluoresce under ultraviolet light. This is especially true of geodes with crystals made of fluorite and calcite. So this is basically the main topic of the video, geodes, like different types of them. But actually the proper main topic was to check out my experiment, but another topic is to know the different types. That's why I'm glad that we have this book. Here, for example, anyway, bit down, not too much. Down. Okay, another page of types of geodes. Agate. Agate is a variety of quartz made up of tiny microcrystals, another color that I have in my channel. I actually mentioned that, I think, neither part 1 or part 2, I don't know, but that's again that's off topic like it was either in part 1 or part 2, but let's just continue, right, because we're on off topic. Anyway, it typically has a very fine grain and bright colors, often featuring stripes of different hues. It's actually quite cool. It looks really cool. Look, it's the one that looks like sky blue. It's that one. A gate. Yeah. Okay. We had enough time to look at it. I think. If you didn't, then just pause the video to take a closer look at it. Cause I'm gonna continue now. Amethyst. Wait. Let me go get a crystal that I found that was made of amethyst in the mines. Here, just glad that I have this. So amethysts basically look like this. The example here is it's a bit taller. The example's a bit taller. It's the really high up purple one over there, the long one. This is a short one, a short amethyst one that I found in the mines around 6 months ago. I wasn't recording a video then because I didn't want to. And okay, that was also kind sort of on topic, so off topic. So let me just read out the types of geodes, and maybe I'll do a few breaks to mention some extra stuff about them, because well, we also learning about geodes and not just trying out a cool experiment, right? Thumbs up if you agree, thumbs down if you disagree. But that makes it disturbing. Anyway, let me read you about amethysts. Amethyst is a member of the quartz family. Once again, quartz. It can range in color from light pink to deep purple. Like, this is the deep purple type. Oh wait, sorry. Here. Deep purple type. But maybe you can go look in it a bit. So you're not disturbing me on the effect. But you need to put the goggles on. You need to put the goggles on. Before my helper always forgets to put his goggles on. Sometimes with red or blue secondary hues. Amethyst geodes are among the most highly prized specimens. But this amethyst I found, I didn't buy it from the store or anything. And also, it's a type with only one hue. If it's a different type of hue, then it's a different shade of purple, but not a different hue like red or blue, for example. The next one is salsite. Salsite is a common constituent of limestone, a sedimentary rock, and therefore a common mineral found in geodes. Salsite crystals have 3 sides of range in color from clear to shades of red and orange. I've never heard of most of these. The only different types of geodes I found in these fun facts is amethyst. You know, I've heard of before. I'm not done of ruby. Maybe ruby is a gem and not a geode. Because, well, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm done with salsites. And next is the third page of types of geodes, and also the last page in the whole book. It's called quartz. Once again, a color that I have off topic. Let's get right back on topic. Quartz. Quartz is the second most abundant mineral in the Earth's continental crust. I will probably make a video about the inner materials of Earth, you know, and you'll see what's in it. It's similarly related to this. So make sure to watch that video. It's coming out in, how long should I watch it? Let's say around 1-2 months approximately. Yeah. Anyway. And it is the most common mineral found inside geodes. Which is cool. Maybe this one is quartz. Looks like it. I think this one is quartz. And this one is not salsite. So after this, I'm going to see what types of geode inner rings these are. Anyway, quartz crystals have 6 sides and can vary in color depending upon the purity of the minerals. The purest quartz, often called rock crystal, is colorless and transparent. Okay, because quartz is similar to white. Well, in the gem case it is. So quartz is, I don't know what I think it's called. There. It's the light grey one. It may look a bit upper, like this amethyst color, but a bit lighter. But my view of it looks like the type of quartz I have in my videos. And don't make me rush it. Anyway, the next one, Jersey quartz. Quartz featuring tiny sparkling crystals is often called Jersey quartz. During the geodic formation, rapid cooling causes these tiny shimmering crystals to form over other minerals. That's already done for the, so there's the one, I think it's this one, yep, this one. I'm just reading this first since it's similarly related to this quartz, so I'm reading the Jersey quartz first, before the Scepter quartz, another quartz. Okay, why am I saying quartz like quartz? I don't know. No idea. Especially no idea, right? Well, I'm talking, anyway. Scepter quartz. Quartz crystals are called scepter quartz when the clusters form into long, narrow points that resemble a king's scepter. That's all for my book, for this little brochure. Now let's find out what type of inner rings these are. Stop being bored, mister. My head was already bored. Why can't I make a long video? So here, see, I'm guessing that this one is either one of the quartzes, I think. And this is difficult. I think this is calcite or something. Looks a bit like it, but it could also be fluorescent geodes. It looks a bit more like fluorescent geodes. What do you think? I think that this is a fluorescent geode. Sorry, maybe geode is actually pronounced geode, but I've never already before this mini series of geode. That's why I'm saying geodes. And this was the learning guide of them. And I hope it was useful for you, because those are some facts I read in during the series. I hope that you learned a lot in this mini series. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe with all notifications, or you'll be banned in the face with these goggles with a tarantula on it. And it's actually a joke. I really didn't hear that, but if you did, then you have really good hearing. So let's just stop this for now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Gabriel's World with all notifications so you don't miss out on our new videos, right? Thumbs up. And also don't forget to check out the Gabriel and the USA video. Link might be in the description, not 100% because, well, we don't know how to put links in descriptions yet, right? So maybe it's in the description, it might be. No 100% chance that it is, but maybe it will be in the description for you to check out. If it isn't, just go type in Gabriel's World, find my channel, scroll all the way down. If you don't find it, scroll a little bit up, and then where it says Gabriel and the USA, click on that video, and there you will know in which states of America the presidents were born. If you're interested in the geodes found in like 5 or 6 different states in America. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe with all notifications one more time, and don't forget to miss out on new, and don't forget to watch our upcoming weekly videos. See you soon. Bye bye. And don't forget to also explore this geode experiment yourself, so you also know about these and look through them even clearer than we showed you. Anyways, bye!